I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step method on how I made this donut breakfast sandwich. You can call it a roll, you can call it a bab, it's up to you. What you would need to do is to take out the skins from 4 beef sausages. I'm using beef. You can use pork, you can use chicken, you can even use some mincemeat. It's totally up to you. Use what you like. You know, this life we cannot come and kill ourselves. You need to take out the skin of 4 beef sausages. This will make about 3 patties. Add some Suya spice or any spice of choice. I'm using Suya spice. You can get this from your local store. Mix until it's fully incorporated. The spice has been pre-seasoned, so adding more might be a bit overbearing. To a heated pan, add butter and add 3 individual scoops of the beef patty. Like I said, we're making 3 breakfast donut bun. Using a spatula, press down until flat. Leave to cook for 3 to 5 minutes and flip to the other side once the cooking time has elapsed. Add 3 bacon strips to the heated pan and cook for 5 minutes on each side. Take out your bacon strips and also your beef Suya patties. Set this aside to rest. Using the same pan, add about 2 tablespoons of water and place your egg using an egg mold. Add some butter and sprinkle some Suya pepper on the top of the egg. Cover and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Cut 3 donuts in half and place on the heated pan to toast. Once brown, take out of the pan and set aside. In a bowl, add mayonnaise and soy spice, then give this a mix until it's fully incorporated. Now, we're going to put our bab together. To the bottom half of your donut bun, plaster in some Suya mayonnaise mix. Place your sausage, cheese, egg. You can put some of that good mix on the top of the donut bun and then cover it. Don't this just look yummy already? You can serve this cold, serve this hot, or just serve this with some iced tea or some hot chocolate. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next recipe.